Well, we ran into a little bit of a problem. The last exfil is quite a ways away, and I am being pushed by this damn yellow cloud of radiation. What are we gonna do? Well, let's go find another vehicle. We are effectively down to about 5 minutes.
Right. 3, 2.
Ah, here we go. Now, let's see if we can beat the team that I've been hunting all game. I did down one of their members back as gas was pushing. But let's see if these guys can beat me there. Exfil should be right around this quarry. Let's see if we got any takers. Let's get ready. And here we go. Look at who it is, guys.
This is Zer0. Can I get a cleanup in aisle exfil? A cleanup in aisle exfil, please. Thank you.
Hello. Oh, you couldn't get in. That sucks. And peekaboo. Thank you. I'll take that. Yes, sir. Well, you guys have a good day. Appreciate the hunt. Sorry, boys.